Hi Luis, my name is Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you could do today to help bring more customers into your business. I work with local businesses to help grow their customer base and boost sales through numerous strategies of digital marketing. I've found that by giving people an easy, free attack plan of things that they could start doing today to impact their business has allowed me to gain a lot of these customers to come to me as business owners and put their trust in me to grow their business. So if by the end of this video, you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve and digital strategies to offer your business, then I would love for us to make a meeting, so shoot me back a message and we can set something up. Or if at the end of this video, you simply want to take this free action plan that I'm going to give you today and do it all yourself, that works for me too. So let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I want to go over is content. When we look at the Google algorithms, it is shown and looking at what they use that you want to have at least 1,500 words on this homepage and 750 on subsequent pages. I ran your website through this program I use called SEO Quake, and it's showing you only have 521 words. So just right off the bat, one of the easiest things you could do to go ahead and boost your Google rankings is to add about 1,000 words to your front page of information on your company and what you guys offer to start getting you up those rankings. So I ran a Google search for Pavers, Tampa, and you were actually on the 6th page. And studies have shown that actually 85% of people don't go past the first 8 sites that come up on Google when they're looking for a service or a company. So what else is important? Well, that leads me to my second thing, and that's keywords. So I ran one of your competitors, Tampa Brick Pavers, and they actually have only 332 words. But what they have is the keywords. Now, keywords, the way they work is if I typed in Google, Brick Pavers Tampa, the context of which these words are used on their site is seen by Google and their algorithms and how many times it's used so that they can populate the most prevalent sites for what that person is searching for on Google. So as you can see, their top 4 are Tampa, Brick, Pavers, Standard. Some of their other ones they have are Paving, Across, Brick Paving. So when I searched Brick Pavers Tampa, as you can see, they have those keywords. They're using them 11, 10, 9 times on their site. So that's why they are the #1 populated website when I type that up. So you might be asking, how important is that? Well, let's look at another tool I use here. And these keywords were the monthly search volume. So alone, Brick Pavers was searched 22,000 times. Brick setting, 22,000 times. Paver installation. Brick prices. I mean, as you can see, just right here alone is over 50,000 searches. So that's 50,000 possible customers that you're missing on being on that 6th page. Which leads me to my third thing, and that's going to be backlinks. So backlinks, or also known as link juice, are what give your site authority. So as we can see, your competitor here has 59 backlinks, giving them a DR of 8 and a UR of 16. So really the importance here is just what's going to give your site that authority and what's going to tell Google that you should be at the top. Backlinks are basically just links from other sites and outside sites and resources to link back to your page. In simple terms, it's basically a popularity contest. There's just other sites telling Google basically that your site is reputable and you should go check their site out. So for example, I was on a website called Brick Pavers of America, and they have your website link on there. It would have a lot of weight because you are a brick paver selling or distributing company. So to real quickly recap what we discussed today, we talked about content and wanting to have 1,500 words on this front page. Secondly, we talked about keywords and how important having those keywords are to trigger your site when searched on Google, and how many searches you could be totally missing out on by not being on that first page. Lastly, we talked about backlinks and how having backlinks to your website give your site authority and give you that domain reliability to have Google rank you in the top of their website when being searched. So if you implemented these strategies today, you could easily be #1 across Google. So you can take all this information that I give you today, use it on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. I'm all about growing local businesses. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to see what else I have to offer, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name is Craig, and my number is 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.